Welcome back to another video. For this video, I'm going to be trying out the Apres method. This is my first time trying this method. I've never done it before, but I'm using the full cover extra long coffin nails from Aliexpress, and they're supposed to be a good dupe for the enailcouture XXL coffin nails, and I can say that they honestly look exactly like them. So if you don't feel like spending a lot of money on enailcouture, or you don't feel like waiting the long wait period to get your order from enailcouture, then definitely check out these nails from Aliexpress. It took about a month to get to me, and I believe that I paid about $4 or $5 for them, so it's a very good deal. But the first thing I'm doing is just applying some peel off base coat to my nails, and that's because I don't actually plan on wearing these nails. I was just doing these for the video. But if you do plan on wearing them, then you want to make sure that you go in and prep your nails by taking the shine off of your natural nails, going in with some dehydrator and some primer, and then you can go in with the rest of the steps that I'm showing. Right now I'm just filing the nails. It's like a little tab at the top of the nail where it was on the form, so I just filed the tip of it, and then I'm going around the cuticle area and just filing it down a little bit to help it blend seamlessly with my nail. And once I finish doing this, then I'm going to go in with applying it. To apply the nails, I'm using some base coat gel, and I'm just applying some of that into the inside of the nail, and then I'm going to press it down on my nail starting at the cuticle area, pressing forward, and I'm doing that so that I can try to make sure I don't get any air bubbles in the nails. Then after I'm finished applying it, I'm going to make sure that I hold it in place and then put it into the lamp. Holding it in place is the key to this because it's so easy to press it down and then move over into the lamp, and then the nail ends up being crooked. So it was about 1 or 2 nails that I ended up having to do over again because I kept messing up and it kept being a little bit crooked. But just try to hold your finger as steady as possible going into the lamp. And I know that there are some smaller lamps that make this method easier, but I was using a big lamp, so it was a little bit more difficult. I also went ahead and decided to apply a layer of base coat gel to my natural nail because I was noticing that some of the nails I was still getting some air bubbles. So applying a thin layer to your nail kind of helps with that. Once I finished applying all of the nails, I put them back in the lamp for a little bit longer just to make sure that they were fully cured. Then I went in with the file and just filed around the cuticle area. I didn't really shape up the nails because I felt like the shape was already perfect. So I'm just trying to make sure that that cuticle area is as seamless as possible. Now I'm going in and applying some base coat gel to the nails. Once I do that, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go back in with the colors I'm going to be using for the design. I'm going to be using black and white gel polish for my nail design, and I'm trying to go in with a very thin layer of the black gel polish because it can be kind of hard to cure black gel, so make sure that you go in with a thin coat. Once I finish doing that, I'm going to go in with a second coat of both the black and white gel polish, and then I'll come back in to place my stickers. These are the nail stickers that I'm using, and I love these nail stickers so much. They're so easy. If you're someone like me who can't really paint on nails as far as like letters or just intricate designs, then get some nail stickers or even some nail decals. But the nail stickers are even better because you don't have to worry about placing them in water or anything like that. You can just take them off and apply them straight onto the nails. Also, you want to make sure that you press them down firmly to remove any air bubbles that might be trapped underneath the sticker, because if you don't, when you go in and top coat, you will be able to see the air bubbles. So pressing down just gives a more flawless look. The last thing I'm doing is just applying some top coat gel to the nails. I'm doing a matte top coat on the pinky and then a regular glossy top coat for all of the other nails. But I just love this design so much. Like, I was honestly kind of sad in the end because I mean, of course, I started off with some peel off base coat, so I had to take them off. But I'm like, I really wanted to wear them, so I might just glue them back on or something because they were just so cute. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my new videos. Bye!